Mike, the rideshare reseller. We're coming to you from back of my car. We're going to do a back of the car haul, show you what I got today. Kind of trying to do a few more videos, and these are easy ones for me to do. I just don't have a lot of time or a lot of space, so I have to really kind of cobble this stuff together. I'm going to show you what I got. I like a few of these items because it's things I like, and I'll tell you when I show them to you. And when you like what you find, that's pretty cool too, right? So always fun. And it's been crazy. It's been good up and down. Today I hit the Flea Market, Savers, and Goodwills. So those are my three main picking sources most of the time. The flea market here, it's not the greatest flea market in the world, but you can find some things there. It goes Wednesday through Sunday, so 5 days a week. And Thursday is actually the best day to go. I have gone on the weekends, but basically it's weird. Thursday is the best day. Found just a couple items there, nothing much, but my goal is kind of, I don't like to say goal, but the way I like to have it happen is one item out of each store or place I go to. That's kind of the way I look at it. If I can do that and I hit 10 or 11 stores, I've got 10 or 11 items. That's the goal. All right. Let's flip it around and see what we got, all right? All right, guys, here's the haul. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good size, you know, quite a few items. I don't know, 3, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 items, all right? So let's take a quick peek and see. I got some birds overhead. Yikes. All right, let's take a look. We're going to start out with this guy right here. It's a Cox brand, and it's the Easy Bee. I paid $19.99 minus 20%, so that was a 20% Savers. I always have a 20% off coupon. This is brand spanking new in the box. Everything's there. I checked it out. This is easy $200, 200 bucks, all right? Up next, same thing out of Savers, and these are iPro pedals. And what is really good about this? Look, I paid $12.99 sealed. This is going to be an Amazon product, and it should sell for about $250. So I paid $12.99. That I'll actually ship that to Amazon, and I'll make about $250. What's great too is it's the USB version, so that's really cool. All right, later in the day, I picked up a couple albums. I usually like to buy lots of albums, but these two albums were really cool. I remember Al Di Meola, John McLaughlin, Paco de Lucia album from my dad. He had that album. So again, you know, I like it. They're both in EX condition. If you look at inside the record is EX. These should get me about $24 each, and I paid $249 at Goodwill. That's their record price. So, and another rule is, I have a weird rule. When I get something for free, like records, sometimes it takes me a while to put them up. But these two guys will go up the same day. That way it's not like my $5 is just sitting there. So I will put those up right away. I'm back here. You got to look for these Malibu lights. And I think I paid 14 or so. 13, yeah, 99. These are brand new. These are the Malibu lights. I don't know if I can spin it around to where you can kind of see it. Everything's kind of jammed in here. There you go. That's them. 10 of them. Brand new. Again, these things will sell from anywhere from $150 to $250 depending on what platform you're on. This probably will go into Amazon. That's my thinking on that. I don't know yet, but we'll see. But I'm pretty sure that's where it's going to go. Malibu lights. Take a look at those. Those are like easy $100 to $150 probably on eBay. But I think I can get more on Amazon. All right, down here, this is a little Canon. This is a digital, small, mini DV Canon. Not worth much. I only paid a couple bucks. It does need the power cord. I probably have one. And it's not going to get me a whole lot. I'm probably only going to get about $29. But they sell, so that's why I buy them. All right, here is a Cuisinart coffee grinder, brand new from Savers, so paid $4. This guy is going to go on Amazon. I don't know exactly what that's going to get me. Maybe 40, 50 bucks on Amazon. Another golf item, if you see these guys right here, this is a check and go. If you can pick them up for $1, they're worth it. So this guy I picked up for $1, and it is going to get me about $21, roughly $21. So check and go. It's a golf ball. It kind of finds the sweet spot in center of gravity, whatever you want to call it. It spins the ball, and then you put a mark on the top, and that's the top dead center kind of thing. And they sell, you know, for $20 to $22. That's about the max you're going to get out of them. But if you pick them up for $1 or so, they will sell. All right, I've sold several of these. This is a Freedom Alert, the Freedom Alert alarm system, and I paid $5 for it. And it's all brand spanking new, so it's all new in there. Okay. These are a $50 bill easy, so $5 into 50. That's a no-brainer. Pretty straightforward there. All right, up next, this game intrigued me, so I picked it up. It was Sherlock Holmes Consulting Detective. Paid $5. This is a $40 to $50 sale on eBay. Everything is in there. It has never been played. It's just clean and pristine. And you just got to check them sometimes because they are open, but it looks like you can tell by the creasing of the boards, the way the items are folded. It's never been used. So that's another $50. Picked these up this morning at a local thrift store called Hope. I paid, I had a 15% discount there, so $13.50, so I paid $11. Brand new pair of Vosk. Again, as a kid, I used to wear Vosk. Some Vosk hiking boots. I'm not positive, but you got to figure $50 at least. So there's 50. All right, we're moving right along. I'm moving quick, guys. This one here was also at Savers. It was $1.99. These are what they call box tie downs, and that model number will tell me what truck. These are $30 to $50 depending on what truck, once I find it out. But at $1.99 minus 20%, what I pay is $1.60 for that. That's pretty much a no-brainer there. All right, up next, some of my favorites. You know, albums are my favorite, but my ultimate, I love golf clubs. Golf clubs, guys. I'm going to do a video pretty soon on golf clubs to show you. But golf clubs right here, I paid $4.69 for each one. I have sold this one before. This is a chipper. If you look at the angle of it down at the bottom, you can see it's a chipper. It's got an angle. It acts like a putter and you chip. But this is the brand you're looking for. There's the brand. Odyssey. Odyssey, Ping, TaylorMade, all that kind of stuff. But Odyssey in putters is probably the big name in putters and chippers. This is what they call a, let me get it up here. I'm sorry, I'm twisting everything around. That's a Marksman X Act, 37 degrees. That is the loft of the face, 37 degrees. I've sold this many times. This is $75 every single time, 75 bucks. All right, the next one. This is a really, really good one. This is a Ping, and it is the Sigma G. You can't see it under there, but it's called the Sigma G. This is easy, $100 and $4.69. So you're looking at $175 from 8. There's a grip. Seriously, look at, that's a fat grip. We call a fat grip. They call it a pistol. There's Super Stroke, and you know, Ping makes their Ping pistol. So golf clubs, guys, golf clubs records. Those two I consider my bread and butter. I love to sell those two. They're fun. To me, they're fun. Those are fun. So I don't know what we've got in here. We've got 50, 200, 300, 375. Let's call that 575. Let's call that 675. Another 50, 725, another 50, 750, call it 30, 780. Wow. 780, let's call it 40, 820, and let's call it 50. Let's just call this about $800 to $900 worth of stuff. Everything in here. not bad, you know, not a bad day. So that's the back of the haul. Shows you what I got today. And it was amazing. So hey, thanks again, and I will see you soon.